One night, everything is perfect. Mood एकदम सही है, she is right there, everything is set, and then 2 मिनट में सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है. Now this is something which almost every man is worried about. Premature ejaculation या शीघ्रपतन. Now let's be honest. Before physical intercourse, आपने कभी सोचा कि will I be able to satisfy her or will I finish too quickly? Well, ये बहुत common है. Studies have shown that more than 30% of men experience premature ejaculation, which is 1 in 3 men. अब problem ये है कि बहुत लोग इसको ignore करते हैं, leading to massive issues in their own relationship. या तो कुछ लोग end up taking magic pills like Viagra, some people believe in Shilajit, but these all are not long-term solutions. By the end of this video, I'm pretty sure you will have a systematic solution for yourself. अब समझते हैं कि what exactly is premature ejaculation. If you consistently ejaculate within 2 minutes of physical activity, then you have premature ejaculation. It's like you want to last longer, but your body did not let you.
जब भी कुछ करने जाते हैं 2 मिनट में रह जाते हैं.
Imagine आप एक गाड़ी चला रहे हो, right? And you want to stop the car, पर जब आप ब्रेक प्रेस करते हो, ब्रेक चल ही नहीं रहा. That's exactly what's happening to your body. You do not have control on when to stop and when not to. अब इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि premature ejaculation 3 टाइप का होता है. Type 1, ejaculation happens during foreplay itself, even before penetration. Type 2, ejaculation happens just during penetration. And type 3 occurs during intercourse, but duration इतना short होता है कि nobody is satisfied. Now, what are the causes of premature ejaculation? अब इसका 2 causes होता है. One is biological cause and next is psychological causes. And psychological causes are much more common. अब psychological causes में the first cause is if you are a newbie. So if you have just started having physical intercourse, आपको ज़्यादा nervousness, anxiety और anticipation रहेगा. Henceforth, there is a high chance that you might have premature ejaculation. फिर आते हैं causes like performance anxiety, where you feel like, what if I finish too early? This will actually apply more pressure in your brain and you will end up finishing early. Then comes stress, relationship pressure, and every mental stress can actually cause premature ejaculation. अब biological causes में we have 3 main causes. Number 1 is serotonin imbalance. When your brain has less serotonin, there is a decreased ability to control your ejaculation. Number 2 is increased penile sensitivity. कुछ लोगों में the penile region is actually more sensitive to sensations, henceforth leading to premature ejaculation. And lastly, the most important cause is excessive masturbation. Because when you masturbate too much, your body gets used to artificial pleasure rather than natural pleasure. Now let's discuss the management of premature ejaculation या शीघ्रपतन. Number 1 is behavioral techniques. Now let's say your ejaculation is 1 point. So when you're doing physical activity, your body reaches that point, and once you hit that point, उसके बाद you do not have control over your ejaculation. So your goal is to not hit that point. You have to just keep curving around that point. So let's say आप physical activity में engaged हो and you are about to hit that point where you are about to ejaculate. उस time try to stop your movement or slow down your movement and just compliment your partner. Try talking with her for a couple of seconds. Now remember, don't make it awkward. कुछ लोग actually pause कर देते हैं and they become awkward thinking don't finish. Remember, anxiety is actually going to make it worse. So just calm down, give a good engagement, give a casual compliment and just relax. Trust me, the event will be amazing. Number 2, avoid masturbation. Yes, this avoid is actually ruining your physical life. Because when you masturbate excessively, उस जगह के stimulation थोड़ा अलग हो जाता है. Your body gets used to an artificial environment and when it goes into a real environment, उसको समझ नहीं आता है and it just gets released too quickly. Number 3, a supplement, which is one of my favorite. No, I'm not talking about Viagra. No, I'm not talking about Shilajit. I'm talking about vitamin D. Interestingly, vitamin D plays a very crucial role in your nerve health. और आपके जो penile region में they are surrounded by a lot of nerves, especially myelinated nerves. And vitamin D plays a very important role in myelin production. And trust me, हमारा देश में almost everyone is vitamin D deficient. Because naturally, Indians में we have an enzyme which tends to metabolize vitamin D much faster. So please get your vitamin D levels checked, and if you are deficient, you have to supplement them. Number 4 is Kegel's exercise. Now these exercise actually strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. और जब आपका pelvic floor muscles strong रहता है, they actually help in controlling your ejaculation. Now these are 5 exercises which are displayed on the screen. Try to replicate at least 3 sets of this daily before night or daily first thing in the morning. And multiple studies have even proven this. Like this study showed that the average man lasted for around 31 seconds, and after performing these exercises for a span of 8 to 12 weeks, they lasted for more than 146 seconds, which is almost 4 to 5 times improvement. So this should be a major part of your rehabilitation. So एक चीज याद रखना, this is something almost everyone goes through. So don't be silent about it, don't be anxious, just follow these above techniques and trust me, you will be perfect. Enjoy. बाकी comments में बता देना on which topic you'd want me to cover next.